Hi guys, привет, welcome, добро пожаловать and labdien to my wonderful kitchen and my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious fish fried cutlets, котлетки. They are so yummy, so healthy, so delicious, and everyone really loves them so much. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the crust from our white bread. You can use any white bread that you like, and I don't recommend using the crust. Add all your white bread into a bowl and then add your milk. And we're just gonna soak the bread in the milk and break this apart into smaller pieces just like that. This is really gonna make our cutlets much softer and smoother, so don't skip this part. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your garlic, chopped onions, egg, and your bread mixture into a food processor together with horseradish. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. This is really gonna add so much flavor to these cutlets. Then go ahead and add your smoked mackerel. And we're gonna blitz everything together in a food processor until it's nice and smooth. Just for a couple of seconds, you don't need to mix this for a very long time. We don't wanna make a puree, we still wanna have texture. Then go ahead, add your salt, your spices. I'm using chili and lime, and all the other spices I'll include in the recipe to really make this dish amazing. Blitz everything one more time until it's nice and creamy, just like so. And all the ingredients have incorporated. Transfer your mixture into a bowl and then go ahead and add your breadcrumbs and mix everything together. You want to mix it so your mixture is nice and firm, but it will still be very soft. I usually use gloves to make the cutlets, so just wet your gloves a little bit. Take 1 tablespoon of your mixture. You can make them bigger if you want, and just form a little bowl just like so. Then you want to go ahead and dip that into more breadcrumbs each cutlet as you go. So you can do this in stages and prep them all in advance. Once you've done all your cutlets, they should look just like this. Nice and gorgeous. They will be very soft and fragile, so bear that in mind. Then you're gonna add oil into your frying pan. You can use vegetable sunflower oil, and I like to add a little bit of butter so that we have nice, beautiful color with our cutlets. We're then gonna add all our cutlets inside. Make sure not to overfill the pan and cook them on a low temperature, okay? We're gonna cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or maybe less depending on how big your frying pan is. But usually 5 minutes per side is a good indicator. You're then gonna plate them. You can enjoy them as a starter, as a main course. You can have them as a snack. It's really up to you. They're very, very delicious. They have so much flavor inside. Absolutely love these mackerel smoked kotleti. And I usually even serve it with more horseradish sauce on top and just enjoy it with my lunch or dinner. I hope you tried this recipe and enjoy.